My name is Alex. I'm a single mother of two. The drunk driver ploughed into the sight of us. My daughter was in the car still. I was kind of sponged between the highway barrier and the Mercedes. My husband was thrown down the highway embankment. The ambulance came. They actually couldn't find my husband at first. I was in ICU for 2.5 weeks with multiple facial fractures. I needed reconstructive surgery. There's 36 bolts and pins in my skull holding it all together. I also had a broken shoulder. My thigh was dislocated. My knee was dislocated. There was a lot of damages. My husband was in a coma for 5 weeks and still remained in further in ICU for another 2 weeks after that. My husband was eventually diagnosed with permanent and severe brain damage. He unfortunately passed away after the surgery from complications from the surgery. It's amazing how an accident of this magnitude brings the family together. My sister basically raised my daughter for me for the next 3 months. During my time in hospital, there was an attorney that did approach me. I don't recall all the details, I was still very hazy, but they asked me if I wanted to start a claim with them. And I remember thinking to myself, but I don't know you. You're not a name I recognize. I'm not going to put my future in the hands of somebody that I don't know. But I knew the name of Broglio from the radio adverts. That was when my father-in-law said that he'd phoned Broglio attorneys and that he'd opened up a claim and gotten some legal advice. And they really do help you. They talk you through it. Everything is clear. Everything is transparent.
Trust the name you know. Broglio Attorneys.